A new study out of the Stanford University School of Medicine gives new hope in the fight against colorectal cancer. Retinoic acid is a compound derived in the body from vitamin A and has been known to help with inflammation. It is a very difficult substance to study because retinoic acid degrades quickly when exposed to light. Stanford researchers concluded that mice with cancer had lower than normal levels of retinoic acid and found the same in human colorectal cancer patients. Doctors say retinoic acid slows or blocks cancer development by activating a specific type of immune cell called the CD8 T cell. These T cells then do the hard work of killing off cancer cells. How do you get more vitamin A in your diet for your body to turn to retinoic acid? Foods like beef liver and eggs are high in vitamin A, and vegetarians and vegans can get vitamin A from carrots, sweet potatoes, and kale. The results of this study could lead to new ways to treat or prevent colon cancer. I'm TC Newman for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.